Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. Medicaid 101, Part 4. Part 4 means I've done 3 prior days. If you're joining me today and you'd like to know a little bit more about Medicaid, go back 3 days. Time travel to the past. I introduced the concept of 2 types of Medicaid planning yesterday, right? Pre-planning and crisis planning. So let me give some information about crisis planning. As the name would imply, there's an urgent situation immediately present, right? A crisis. So what do we have to do? As an attorney, you have to look at the situation and see what does the person need to immediately qualify for Medicaid. It could very well be that there's a person that has low assets and low income, and they immediately qualify. So in that instance, it's a crisis only in that you need Medicaid immediately, but there are no additional barriers to to Medicaid being available as a resource for this person. So step 1 in the crisis plan is to determine what is necessary. Right? It's a big picture, but that's what we have to do. Figure out where the person is qualification-wise. So I already gave the example. Low income, low assets, you immediately qualify. We may now have someone that's low assets and high income. That's a little bit easier in one certain sense to immediately apply, because what we could do is we could apply for Medicaid and we could take the excess income, right? Any income that's over and above the statutory limit, and we could legally, permissibly shuttle that to a pooled income trust, and the person can then qualify for Medicaid, again, nearly immediately. So see where the person is qualification-wise, what is their financial picture look like, and then, if anything, what's keeping them from Medicaid. Now, what if a person has too many assets? Well, there are specific strategies to use if a person has too many assets. I'll hit you with those answers in the next part of this series. In the meantime, if you would like to speak with me, if you need to speak with me, go to frankbrunolaw.com. Thank you.